It's really a management of risk. And for pet health insurance, there's two risks that a pet owner is trying to manage. One is, what's the risk to that pet of being injured, of having an illness, etc. So how am I going to take care of that? And the other one is the risk to me financially, my personal finances. So can I afford a $2,000 a problem? Can I afford a $5,000, $10,000? So the idea is if that expectation of that pet owner is that at some time in the future I have a pet that has a high probability for having an incidence of heart disease or hip dysplasia or some problem, some physical problem that's going to require surgery or going to require an extended amount of medical care, it makes sense to me to protect myself and to protect that pet because I need to be able to afford it, to purchase pet insurance. And that discussion is what needs to happen. So what we've determined was that the people that do have pet insurance, that do purchase that pet insurance, tend to spend over $200 more on veterinary services. So why I tell you that, I don't know why they do that. Okay, so and I don't know whether that is that people that purchase that pet health insurance understand that they're going to need it, and so they buy it and they spend more. So they may have a pet that requires $200 more. See, so I don't know why. I just know that if people that people that do buy that do tend to spend more than people that don't have it on their pets. So they demand more veterinary services, and that's important for veterinarians to know, and then they can make that decision in their offices. How do I get that information, or who gets that information into the hands of consumers about what's the risk to my pet, and then let's have a discussion about what's the risk to you, or what's it going to cost to treat those things.